Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Seawater depth changes over time, and we need to solve this differential equation using separation of variables and slope fields. Let's solve this problem fast. Starting with part A, we sketch the solution curve through the point 0,4 by following the slope field lines carefully. This visual path shows how the depth changes over time. For part B, we find critical points where the derivative equals 0. Since cosine of t over 2 vanishes at pi, we test the sign change to confirm a relative maximum. Finally, we separate the variables and integrate both sides. Using our initial condition, we find the particular solution for the depth function h of t. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush. Trust given values and check your steps.